Welcome to 乐语 Zoom. Hello all kids, I'm Magic Bug. Please allow me to introduce my buddies. Centipede, snake, spider, scorpion, turtle, crab, and beetle. Next, let's show you our skills. We are versatile. I love to chew lips, so of course I'm Magic Bug. I can sense any obstacle in front of me and automatically make turn to avoid it. This is my twin brother. Does he look like me? Different from me. It is a remote control bug. There is another function, automatic demonstration. Looked at snake's tongue, stretching in and out. Are you scared? It not only can turn right or turn left, but also can turn in cycles. Two, 4, 6, 8. Can you count how many legs a centipede has? Its sense of balance is not very good, so it often goes the wrong way. But don't worry, there are some fine-tuning buttons on the remote control to make it turn left or turn right, so it has to do what you ordered. This big body hanging off the crab is a spider. It can turn right, go back and rotate 360 degrees. Its eyes can blink as well. Does it look like a real one? There is another function, automatic demonstration. This body going to move is a scorpion. It can turn right, go back, and rotate 360 degrees. Its eyes can glitter as well. There is another function, automatic demonstration. Who says a turtle climbs slowly? Let's have a look at how fast a turtle climbs in our 乐语 Zoom and makes a 360-degree rotation for you. There is another function, automatic demonstration. It walks sideways with eye blinking. It must be a crab. Look, after it climbs out of the boiling water, it can move around as usual. So please be careful, the kids. Don't come close to the boiling water. There is another function, automatic demonstration. Who lives by sucking sap is of course a beetle. Let it show you a 360-degree rotation. It's wonderful, right? It's Mr. Muscle in the bug world. It is said that beetles love watermelon. Can you imagine it? There is another function, automatic demonstration. After visiting our lovely zoo, do you feel fancy about it? Then act now! There are more fantastic animals waiting for you! More new products are under R&D now. Let's look forward to them! Now, let me tell you how to operate us. Except for me, all other animals are operated by the remote control. They all have A, B, C, 3 frequencies to be played by kids together. For my twin brother, 3 1.5-volt AG batteries have to be installed in his body and the remote control. For the centipede and the snake, they have egg-shaped remote controls installed with 3-button batteries, and their bodies need to be charged by USB. If the indicator is always on, it means it is in charging. For the spider, scorpion, turtle, crab and beetle, 1.5-volt AA batteries are installed in the remote control first. And then the charging cable is pulled out of the remote control and connected to the body of an animal for charging. Well, let's make fun.